I am a teacher. What about you? Are you a teacher too? Are you a student? How to ask and answer these questions in French. Until here, you've learned how to ask what is your job and the ways to answer it. I am a nurse, for example. Now that you know how to say I am, it's time to progress on the next step. How to say you are or are you. Que fais-tu comme travail? Je suis enseignant. Okay, you've already reached this level, and now let's continue our conversation a bit more. What about you? What about tu? The French say à toi, meaning what about you? Suppose that we are at school. I am a teacher and opposingly you are a student. Je suis enseignant. And tu es étudiant. Tu es étudiant. At hospital as co-worker. Je suis médecin. Et tu es infirmier. Tu es infirmier. At the street, accordingly, je suis policier. Je suis policier. Tu es conducteur. Et tu es conducteur. At restaurant and as co-workers again, je suis chef. Je suis chef. Et tu es serveur. Tu es serveur. At shop in a position, je suis vendeur. Je suis vendeur. Et tu es client. Tu es client. Tu es means you are, as je suis means I am. And now it's time to make questions. Interested? Hit the thumb up to support me and my videos. Subscribe for progressing in learning this language and alien French. Time to ask. Several ways there are in French to turn an affirmative into a question. To put an interrogation mark at the end of a normal sentence. First, let's check a general way to ask informally. Simply, just like in English, you can finish your normal sentence rising up your intonation. You are a baker. You are a baker. You are a baker. Tu es boulanger. Tu es boulanger. Tu es artiste. Tu es policier. Second point, using a formal way to ask more respectfully. Inversion. Inversion it is. If you apply an inversion on the routine situation of subject plus verb, it would be a question. Verb plus subject. In French, there is a hyphen needed necessarily between the inverted verb and subject. Let's turn these statements into question by inverting the subject and verb. Tu es enseignant. Tu es enseignant. Es-tu enseignant? Es-tu enseignant? Pay attention to the rise intonation of my at the end of the sentence. Tu es bibliothécaire. Tu es bibliothécaire. Es-tu bibliothécaire? Es-tu médecin? Es-tu... Nice job, guys. Please ask your questions in the comments and do not forget to practice and review, especially the highly recommended box. À bientôt.